Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Trello, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Trello.com into the address bar and press enter. You will arrive at the Trello homepage. In the top right corner, look for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. Double-check that you have entered both correctly. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in your details, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your Trello dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and new password, and click Login again. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Also, check for any browser updates that might affect your login. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up link to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your details and set up your new account. Once created, you can log in using your new credentials. Now you're ready to explore and manage your tasks on Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.